Coming to this question of GET, so this is logical reasoning question. In a certain board examination, students were to appear in 5 subjects. Certain emergency situation is there, and examination could not be conducted for some students. Some students missed one examination, and some other missed 2 examinations. Nobody missed more than 2 examinations. This is important line. Board adopted the following policy for awarding marks. If a student appeared in all 5 examinations, the marks awarded or on the basis of the scores obtained by them in those examinations. Okay, for all 5 examinations, there is nothing. If a student missed only one examination, then the marks awarded in the exam are the average of the best 3 among the 4 scores. The examination they appeared for 5. So if the student has appeared for 4 examination out of 5, the marks in the missing examination would be M would be equal to average of best of 3. Okay, if a student missed 2 examinations, then marks awarded in each of these examinations were the average of the best 2 among the 3 scores in the examination they appeared for. Okay, they appeared for 3 examinations, then there would be 2 missing examinations, and each missing examination marks would be average of best of 2. Each of them, 6 students are given to us. Each of them missed either 1 or 2 examinations. Okay, so this is the table and some facts are given. So 4 of these students appeared in each of the English, Hindi, Science and Social Science. Student who missed Maths did not miss any other. One student missed Hindi, did not miss any other examination. Other student who missed Hindi also missed Science. Okay. So to start with, we know that average cannot be the least number or the highest number. Average has to lie somewhere between least and maximum number. So we can find definite answers for what exams people appeared in. So Elva appeared in the one in which he scored maximum, that is English, and in which he scored minimum, so that is 60. Similarly, for all the people, we can do that exercise and circle the definite appearance exam, right? 100 and so we have found out the least and the maximum numbers scored by students in which they have definitely appeared. So there were we have statement 4 students appeared in each of English, Hindi, Science and Social Science. 4 who appeared in English are A, B, C, D. E and F are the one which they missed. English they have missed. Okay. Now we also know if averages are equal. If averages are equal, though people could have missed that exam, both the exams, right? So in the case of Elva, if we see, they have equal marks in 75. So these are the missing examination. These could be the missing examination. So if 75 is average of best of. So here average, if in case both Hindi and Science are missed, so 80 plus 70 150 and average is 75. So in case only one exam either of Hindi and Science is missed, so it will be 80 plus 75 plus 70 and average again would be 75. So here that case we know. Okay, so there is only, see, there are 75 equal here, 85 here. So we know 70 is the one in which definite appearance is there. Similarly 85 may say either one is missed or both are missed, but 80 is something which definitely has been given. Here also 90 is there and 80 is something which definitely has been given. Here also 90 is something which could be missed and 80 is definitely been given. Okay, coming to Isha, yeah, we have already found the one the exam in which it has been missed, 80 marks. So there is nothing which is equal to 80, and we also see the average of uh, best of best of 3, that is 95, 85 and 60. It is coming out to be 80. Okay, so this again Isha has appeared in these two examination, because only one is the different one, right? 80. Now for phony there are two exams for which 83 marks are there. Okay, so here it could be either only English has been missed, or both English and science, social science has been missed. So we'll come to that later. First we see that in Hindi we have found 4 people who have given that exam. So this exam and this exam has not been given by Elva and Deep, right? Also we know one of the student who missed the Hindi examination did not miss any other examination. The other student who missed the Hindi examination also missed the science examination. So Hindi examination was missed by Deep and Elva. And we also know one student missed science, the other one did not miss science. So either could be the option here. So we'll just try to tick here so that we remember it. Hindi ka science, one of the student has missed science because marks are same, so one of the student has missed that science examination. Okay, so one of the student of this 75 and 90 has missed. 3 students already has given 100, 60 and 88. One student out of 1975 has given the examination, so we already have 4. We will be with 1, 2, 3 and 4th people who would have given. So this is something which has been missed, right? Because 4 has been given by science, this is missing. Okay, then the student who missed the mathematics examination did not miss any other examination. Math exam is not missed by phony. Math exam is only missed by Carl here. So if he has appeared in if he has missed math examination, he did not miss social science. So we have found 4 people who have appeared in social science also. So these 2 are the one who did not appear in social science, right? So this we know only 2 are to be missed. Okay, so we have found out by way of this all the people except for Alva and Deep, in which one of them has appeared in science and one of them has not appeared in science. Okay, now let's come to the questions. First question here is, who among the following did not appear for the mathematics exams? So we have Carl, who did not appear for mathematics. Which student did not appear for English? English we have Isha and Phony. What best can be concluded of the student who did not appear for the Hindi examination? Hindi, Elva and Deep. Elva and Deep did not appear. So this is the answer. Next, what best can be concluded of a student who missed the science examination? So science are missed either by Elva or Deep and Bithi. So answer is Bithi and 1 out of Elva and Deep. How many out of these students missed exactly one examination? So exactly one examination is missed by either of Elva and Deep. So one is this. Second, Carl missed one examination and Isha missed one examination. So there will be 3 students, right? 3 is the answer for this. How many students can we definite about which examination they missed? So for 4 students we are definite. Only 2 students we have doubt, Elva and Deep. The 4 is the answer for this. Okay, sure. Thank you.